Hi student, myself Dr. Salve Prakash, Associate Professor, Department of Geography, रयत शिक्षण संस्था महाराजा जिवाजीराव शिंदे महाविद्यालय श्रीगोंदा, District Ahmednagar, affiliated by Savitribai Phule Pune University, Pune. Now, today's lecture, FYBSc Choice Based Credit System Syllabus, Semester 1st, Paper 1st. Name of the title of paper, Introduction to Physical Geography, paper number 1st, or Geomorphology. Geomorphology. Now today's lecture discuss about unit number 3, plate tectonics. Subpoints 4th, D, crustal movement, causes of volcanoes and classification of volcanoes, part 2nd. Okay, now causes of volcanoes. Here the volcanic material, the hot material come to the earth surface in these vents and come to the earth surface. Okay, here the vent, here conduct is the magma chamber. A volcano is a vent, chimney that the connect molten rock magma from within the earth crust to the earth surface. The volcano include the surrounded a cone of erupted material. Now, first point is cause interior temperature. When we go to the interior of the earth, every 30 meter increase 1 degree Celsius temperatures. The interior temperature gradually increase of the temperature within a increased depth. At the rate of temperature 1 degree Celsius temperature per every 30 meter due to heat generated ion from the disintegrated of radioactive elements by within the earth. Another cause, origin of magma, because lowering of melting points caused by reductions of the pressure reductions, burden त्याचं कमी होणे, of overlaying super incumbent the load due to the fracture caused by the splitting of plate and their movement is opposite directions. Now third, origin of gases, water vapor due to heating of which reach underground through percolation of rainwater and melt water. Now another, the essence of magma forced by enormous volume of gas and vapors by cooker, the gas, the pressure of gas, then the vessels to upward direction. म्हणजे जेव्हा कुकरमध्ये गॅस जास्त होतो किंवा हवेचा झोत जास्त होतो त्यावेळेला ती शिट्टीला वर ढकलून बाहेर पडण्याचा प्रयत्न करतो. The same positions of volcanic material or gases come to the earth's surface. Then, depending upon intensity of gases and vapor, and the nature of crustal surface. Crustal surface, which type of the crustal, the weaker zone, hard zone, etc. The weaker zone, they are the volcanic material to outlets or come to the earth surface. Then the volcanic material, it is volcanic blocks, so many boulders material, the block of rocks. Then the volcanic bombs, like bombs type of materials. Then the volcanic ashes, ash, and lapilli, the ash type of materials. Vapor and gases. Steam and vapor constitute 60 to 90% of the total gas discharged during volcanic eruptions. Volcanic gases include carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxide, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen, carbon monoxide, etc. This is the material come to the earth's surface. Then the magma of lava, the molten material of magma. Generally, the molten rock of material are called magma. Below earth's surface, while they are called lava. When they come to the earth's surface, lava and magma are divided on the basis of silica. More than 70 to 80% into the two groups, that is acidic magma and basic magma, lava, silica. Then fragment materials. The third one is fragment material, essential including the consolidated of lava leaves. This is the flood material, the mud type of volcanoes. When the eruption completely after the position of mud volcanoes, mud is outcome in the earth's surface. Here, clay silt and water mix with water mix to form the mud and has pungent small. Another photographs create the Moon National Mountains in the state of Nevada. Area of the craters is 643 square miles block gray color of lava flow due to the volcanic eruptions. And another photographs the old faithful glaciers erupt with the interval of 75 minutes. List of 2 to 5 minutes explain 20,000 to 30,000 liter of boiling water. Boiling water reach a height of 30 to 50 meter here. This is the here 30 to 50 meters. Okay. Now classification of on the basis of periodicity, duration of eruption. The duration. Volcanoes are divided into three types on the basis of period of eruption and on the basis of degree of volcanic activity. The first is active volcanoes continuously erupted to volcanic materials. There are those which constantly volcanic lavas. It is emitted that there are about more than 5,000 volcanoes in the world. Mount Etna, yeah, and Stromboli, yeah. The both photographs is the Strombolian volcanoes, and the both photographs are Mount Etna's. Of Mediterranean Sea are the most significant examples of these categories. Strombolian volcanoes is known as lighthouse, yeah, because of the continuous erupted and emitted of volcanic material, lava, as well as molten materials. Okay, of the Mediterranean, because the continuous emissions, yeah, of burning and luminous incandescent gases. Most of the active volcanoes are found along the mid-oceanic ridge, representing divergent plates margin. Divergent. Last lecture we see the plate boundaries, divergent, convergent, and concentration. That's plates. The latest eruptions took place from Pinatubo volcanoes in 1991 in Philippines. Another is second dormant volcanoes, म्हणजे ज्याला आपण निद्रिस्त, ऍक्टिव्ह मीन्स जागृत ज्वालामुखी, ही सातत्याने त्याचे उद्रेक होत असतात. निद्रिस्त मीन्स सम ड्युरेशन, सम टाइम्स तो त्या ठिकाणी शांत झालेला असतो, परंतु बऱ्याच कालावधीनंतर पुन्हा त्याचं इरप्शन झालेलं आपल्याला दिसतं, म्हणून डॉर्मेंट, ज्याला आपण निद्रिस्त म्हणतो. डॉर्मेंट volcanoes there are which become quite after their eruption from some times and suddenly they erupts very violently and cause enormous damage to human health and wealth. Vesuvius, this is photographs of Vesuvius volcanoes, is the best example of dormant volcanoes which erupt in the first 79 after day, AD. Then it kept quiet up to 1631 AD. Then when they suddenly erupted with the great force, the subsequent eruptions in 1803, 1872, then 1927, 1928, 1929 also erupted. So this is called dormant. Sometimes these volcanic activities stop, but suddenly after eruptions and the material come to earth's surface. And lastly, extinct volcanoes, when the volcano, म्हणजे एकदा व्होल्कॅनो होऊन गेल्यानंतर पुन्हा त्या ठिकाणी ज्वालामुखी होण्याचा चान्सेस नाही, म्हणजे टोटली स्टॉप these volcanic activities. The volcanoes are considered extinct when these no indications of future eruptions. No indications. The crate is filled up with water, yeah, and lake are found. It may be pointed out that no volcanoes can be declared permanently dead, as no one known what is happening below the ground surface. Okay, ठीक है. Now this is the reference and photo source www.google.com and some material taken from www.wikipedia.org. Okay, now we will see the next lecture, type of volcanoes. Okay, thank you.